Welcome everyone, this is Aptech Pro. Today we have an iPhone 7 with a cracked screen. So we're going to go ahead and replace the screen as well as the water seal. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 17 minutes and 34 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 7 with the water seal, and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carrier unlock, anything to do with the iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on our website, Instagram, Facebook, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And thank you for watching the video, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks again.